Look, man, real estate is not hard, you just being lazy. Another one of our mentees just wrapped up his project. He closed on his property at the end of January, starting around February, we started the process. Now we all the way complete with this project, guys. It's on the market for $335,000. You can be in this position too, so I'm about to take y'all inside to see the finished product. Let's go inside, check it out. Welcome to the crib, you feel me? MTV styles, the property Bruhz style, you feel me? Let's go, we're gonna check it out. So if y'all remember, when we first did our VIP walkthrough and we checked this property out, there was a fireplace wall here, 20-foot fireplace wall that was separating this living space from the kitchen. So we completely opened up this concept, modernized everything. You got a real nice kitchen island that you can come sit in. Informal, like, you know, sitting area. And you have the actual kitchen that turned out really nice, man. I love these countertops. And of course, the light selection was really nice to help, you know, the ambiance. Over here, you have another formal dining area. It's really nice with a picture window here. This home turned out really nice, man. And if y'all remember, there was actually a door here in a sitting area that was going around here. This was different levels. This was one level, this was one level, this was another level, this was another level. So we leveled all of the floors to be one nice even level so you can have a nice functional walkthrough of this home. Another cool thing that we did, we put this wall here. I built the wall so that you have a bonus room. This is a bonus room that could be used for an office, sunroom. You use your imagination. It could be whatever you want, right? But it's extra functional space in the home. So that's an amazing selling point for somebody, you know, if you work from home or if you might have some pets or something like that, you might want to keep them separated from the, you know, everybody else when you have guests or whatever, different situations. Another thing, this cool, quick tip and trick, guys. This is something that we got off. They have adjustable glass mirrors that you can self-install yourself. And these are a nice piece to add into your homes, you feel me? LED mirrors, of course. They light up when you touch them and all that good stuff. Nice black faucets, black hardware everywhere. This was a hallway closet. I don't know if y'all, we could pop that up too, boom. This was a hallway closet. We closed that off so that we could expand what would be considered like the owner's suite, right? This is the owner's suite. And they have a full bathroom in here as well. So the shower initially stopped here. This was the shower right here. That's it. And this was the hall closet. So you would be able to put stuff in the hallway from here. So we decided to open that up. So now you have a nice full shower that you could, you know what I'm saying, handle your business in comfortably. You gotta use your imagination when it comes down to these homes. When you modernizing them, and you're doing fix and flips. This room right here, we had those wood panel walls, and there was a weird little bookshelf type situation that was right here. So we completely just demoed all of that, came back with the drywall. Now it's nice modern look. Nice closet right here behind it. And this will be the last bedroom. This house turned out really nice, man. Turned out really nice. Yup, what you think, T?
I love it.
Nice size backyard. You hear the birds chirping, you feel me? We got them flying around and stuff. Nice family home, man. Nice ranch style. So yeah, man. For this project, I would say some of the good things, of course, is having the systems in place. For this particular project, one of the factors that cost us time and money in our budget was dealing with a subcontractor that was taking his time doing it, and we ultimately had to fire him off this project. Like, it wasn't a good contractor, and you know, sometimes you go through situations like that, and when you try and you vet contractors, to really, sometimes the only way you can know a man's true character is once you see their work, right? So if somebody gonna stand on business and get it done, that's what you're looking for. Ultimately, that contractor wasn't there. We had to come through with another one. Like I said, that cost us time and money in the budget, but ultimately we got the job done. So we here at the finish line now. Like I told y'all in the beginning of the video, we are currently on the market for $335,000. And the great thing about this is, even if it doesn't sell on the market, the deal is so sweet that you can still refinance and rent it out. So you still could win and have upside and profit on it. That's another great thing that we love to teach, because that BRRRR strategy is another way that we really were able to reach another level of wealth and stability for our families through real estate. So flipping, BRRRR strategy, new constructions, tax liens, auctions, all that kind of stuff, man. Real estate is an amazing vehicle and tool and resource to get you and your family in an amazing situation, you feel me? So if you out there and you watching this video, I just want you to take this advice and say, you can do it too. You feel me? Like I said in the beginning of the video, like, you can do it, you just being lazy. You might not be putting the systems and everything in place that you need to. But ultimately, if you take the time to learn and get out here and actually start applying some of those lessons that you might be picking up on these YouTube videos or on these webinars, these courses, these classes that you're taking, then you will be in a great position, you feel me? So y'all continue to stay tuned, stay locked in. If y'all have any questions, y'all already know y'all can tap in and reach out to me, man. Let's go. It's your boy HD.